What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with another video for you guys today. So today is Saturday, and that means it's the weekend. For those of you who are new to this channel, the weekend is where winners are made, the weekend is where empires are built. So in today's video, I'm talking about the importance of building your empires on the weekend. Now, because a lot of people out here go through Monday to Friday, longing for Friday evening, longing for Saturday and Sunday, just to dread going back into work on Monday or going back into school, going back to do whatever they do on Monday. Now, the reason I say the weekend is where winners are made is because you have more time usually on the weekends to perhaps do something which you like or you enjoy. So we're going to discuss all of that in today's video. But the first thing I want you guys to do, drop that thumbs up. Let's just get that out of the way. Also, for those of you who don't know, yesterday I did upload a video about what you got to do for your financial future. Go check that out. And I also did do a live stream, so please go drop a thumbs up on that if you can. Yes, it was a busy day. It was a busy day of hustling, but we got to do what we got to do to win. Now, let's talk about winning. So, like I said, I talk about winning on the weekends. Because, again, Monday to Friday, usually we have to do stuff, to create a living for ourselves. For example, going to work, whatever job it may be. If it's part-time, if it's full-time, if you're doing an internship, you have to do these things because you've got to eventually build your career, you've got to create a source of income for yourself, you've got to make money, you've got to do those kind of things because you want to survive in this life, and to do that, sometimes you've got to do things you don't like. That's perfectly fine. Now, the part that gets me is there are people out here who go through Monday to Friday, like I said, dreading every day, not enjoying life, and then being happy Saturday, Sunday, getting high, drunk, doing whatever, and they go back to Monday life again. So if you don't want to live that life, what must you do? For example, you can create a side hustle for you. A lot of you people who comment on these videos are actually YouTubers, so I can already say, well done to you guys. But there are tons and tons of people out there who don't side hustle. Why? Purely because they're lazy, purely because they can't be bothered, purely because they're stuck in a cycle of doing the same thing over and over again, which is completely wrong, let's be honest. When I talk about building an empire, I'm talking about building something that you like, something you can be proud of. So for example, yes, a YouTube channel. You can look back on that in 5 years, 10 years, say, I got myself 60K subscribers. I got myself, even if it was just 3,000 subscribers. You did yourself a job, you made it happen, For those of you who eventually get monetized, that's amazing, that's brilliant. That is what we call building an empire. You start there, you start scaling up. For those of you who don't want to be on camera, don't want to do those kind of things, learn skills. Yesterday in my live stream, I talked about learning skills. Stuff like copywriting, stuff like graphic design, stuff like photography, things and services that people need, businesses need. So you can learn those things on your weekends. You might not always do things on the weekends and get paid straight away. That is not the aim here. The aim is to build something. The aim is to create an empire, create something which will eventually help you win. I'm telling you again, if you're using 5 days of every week to complain, moan, not enjoy life, only for 2 days of your week, you're doing it wrong. You're shortchanging yourself. You're hustling backwards. It's completely wrong. You shouldn't be doing that. That's 252 days, 252 from every single year. And you guys know there's 365 days in a year, or last year 366. So you're giving up so much of your time and your life to do things you don't like. It doesn't make sense. And if you think you can just go on that way, eventually it's going to get to you. Eventually you're going to get to the point where you're like, why am I doing this? So hopefully that point for you is now. Which is again why I say, use your weekend to hustle. Use your weekend to build your business, to learn a skill, to create your videos, to upload them on your YouTube channel. Use your weekend to do things that you don't usually have time for in the week. You've been given an extra, 24, 48 hours. Use them correctly. There's nothing wrong with having a break after a long week, after a tiring week. Nothing wrong with that at all. But there is something wrong if you're using your whole weekend to go party, drink, get high, watch Netflix, do things that are not going to benefit your future. You want to enjoy life. You get one life. We all get one life. So we've got to use it right. We've got to make the best of it. I'm going to tell you again, the weekend is where winners are made. The people who spend their time, and to be honest, the same can be said about quarantine or lockdown. The people who spend their time, learning a craft, polishing their skills, building something for themselves, will eventually come out stronger, ahead of the rest, in a better position, more mentally healthy. And it's only because they took their time to start building something. They took small steps. You don't have to go out there today and do something which is gonna, make you a millionaire by next week. You don't have to do that. You don't have to go out there today and start a YouTube channel and reach 1 million subscribers by next year. You don't have to do that. All I'm telling you to do is use your weekends wisely. Use it to build something for yourself. Use it to grind. Use it to work hard. Use it to start pushing yourself towards a better future. A future that you enjoy, a future you love, and you don't have to hate, you don't have to dread, running into. If you've ever been in a situation where you wake up early because you're so excited to do something, or you'll sleep late because, you just don't care and you're just really enjoying it and it's not bothering you at all, you might be doing something right. If that thing can last for years and years and years, without, affecting you. So here I'm not talking about watching Netflix or playing in an Xbox or PlayStation 4, but you're doing something which you can enjoy and make money from it, let's say, and create a living off it. You're definitely doing something right. Let's say you like blogging. If you can blog and write blogs until 3 a.m. in the morning, or you wake up at 6 a.m. to do it and you don't care, again, you're doing something right. You might be enjoying life. Because I tell you what, it's easier to sleep late and do something because you love it, because you enjoy it, or wake up early and get up and get ready for the day because you enjoy it, than doing those things when you don't like them. And if you don't believe me, try waking up at 5 a.m. for a job you don't enjoy. Try going to the gym at 10 p.m., 11 p.m. when you're tired and you don't want to go anymore. Try doing those things and you're going to realize it's a lot easier when you enjoy it, when you like it. Which is why I'm telling you, use your weekends to build something for yourself. Usually I would say use your, Monday evenings, Tuesday evenings, Wednesday evenings, all your evenings, once work is done, once you've got home and you've got a bit of free time to build. But we'll start off for you guys who are new to this, who are just beginning, with the weekend. I'm telling you again, you want to do research on something, you want to learn how to do something, the weekend is there for you. It's been made for you to do that. And again, we can expand it to lockdown quarantine. We've been given this period of time. Yes, it's uncertain. Yes, it is difficult. Yes, we might not be in the best position ever. Might not be in the best situation of our lives. But we have opportunities. We have been given a period of time, which effectively is a lot different to normal, and means you can start trying a few different things out. That's not to say go and waste all your money trying to day trade. That is to say, start building something for a better future. That is to say, go on YouTube and learn a skill. That is to say, go on Google and start learning how to do different things. Again, it's up to you how you use your time. You can use it for all the good things, the positive things I mentioned today. You can use it for the bad things, the regular things, things that most of society does. We all have the option, but it's up to you what you choose. The good or the bad, it's completely up to you. I think a lot of you have to realize that what society does, what society thinks is normal, is not always what's best for us. Work Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, and Friday evening, take a break and, binge watch Netflix or, do something which everybody does. Work Monday to Friday. Same thing again. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. No, there are possibilities to travel Monday through Sunday. There are possibilities to travel every month. There are possibilities to go eat at your favorite restaurant, take breaks during the day. There are possibilities to do so many different things. I've not even mentioned half the things that are available out there. As long as you do what you enjoy, do what you like. And if you don't do what you enjoy, do what you like, you have to start creating means for that. Create a path for that to happen. Because not everybody in this life will do what they enjoy, for most of their life. That is a fact. There are very few who do what they like, and it's purely because of the decisions they make in their free time. Those evenings when you're tired, those Saturday and Sundays when you've got a whole free day and you're like, you know what? I can spend the whole day out with the boys, or I can spend time on my craft. And I've been in that situation. It's a very difficult step to make, pushing for your own goals and dreams instead of just having fun and, really doing nothing effective for yourself or beneficial for yourself for the future. Think about the fact that you spend Monday to Friday, usually, for those of you who don't enjoy what you're doing, spending time building something for someone else's dream, whatever company they have, wherever you're working, you're building for their dream, even though you don't enjoy it, you don't like it, and you're not spending time building your dream, creating your amazing life, your best life, when you have the free time. It doesn't make sense. If you have a job that you like, then this video applies to you less, but you should still be building something for your future, because eventually that job can fire you, you can get let off, unemployment strikes, we hit another global pandemic, you don't know what can happen. Recessions come up all the time, it can happen. So what will you have to show for it? Will you just say, yeah, I worked there for 10 years and I've got no money left now? Or will you say, don't worry, I've got my own agency, I teach this, I have this, I've done this, I've built this, look at the number of followers I've got on this, the way I've taught them to learn about this. You can show so many different things when you've actually done something with your time and actually built something for yourself. So be a winner. Be a winner this weekend. And not only this weekend, going forward. Start building your empire this weekend if you haven't already. So as always, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. You guys have been really good with the comments recently, so please let's drop another bunch of comments on this video. Let me know what you do on your weekends. Let me know how you hustle, if you do have a side hustle, what you do. Also, please make sure you guys check out all those links in the description. We have cryptocurrency, stocks, a free guide to online business. We have my Smartwatch company, and we also have an affiliate program for my Smartwatch company. So please go check all of those out. Links in the description below. Tomorrow will be another video, as usual. I don't know if there'll be another live stream today. Probably not. But that is it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. I got into making. You got into making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.